Spectrum scanning is the important component in cognitive radio systems. In this video we will see how to do spectrum scanning using Wi-Fi. First run the spectrum scanning experiment. Enter the starting and end frequencies. Enter the duration in minutes. For example, if you want to scan for 5 hours you have to enter 360. If the GPS antennas is connected to the Wi-Fi, the location will be identified and saved in a text file. After 5 hours you can collect the data from the Wi-Fi. If the duration is only a few hours, the Wi-Fi can generate a spectrogram as a PNG file in short time period. For longer durations, if it takes more time to generate the PNG file, stop the experiment by pressing Ctrl+C. You can collect the DAT file to your computer and generate the PNG file. In the generated spectrogram you can see the spectrum from 50 MHz to 948 MHz. If you want to see the spectrum around 900 MHz, zoom in towards that frequency. Here we can see active transmissions centered at around 840 MHz, 883 MHz, 898 MHz and 939 MHz. Activity around 883 and 840 MHz are uplink and downlink LTE transmissions from Geo network. Activity around 898 and 939 MHz are uplink and downlink transmissions from GSM networks from Airtel, Vodafone, and other networks.